n8n, so hot right now. If you're a broke, struggling programmer like me and you want to use your own sandbox where you only pay for what you use, then Google Cloud Run is your answer.
Welcome to TerraFem Tech, where I am going to show you how you can use n8n and pay as you go using Google Cloud Run. This video isn't going to be so much a tutorial as opposed to a step-by-step how I got my Google Cloud Run service established so that I can host n8n and only pay for what I use. So if you're interested in that, please keep on watching, but there is going to be a little bit of troubleshooting knowledge that you're going to have just in case you need to, fix whatever comes up. Also, don't come after me if things are wrong. There's probably wrong things. But at the end of this video, you will see an established up and running Google Cloud Run service. Promised. So this repository is the godfather of all repositories that we're going to be using to self-host n8n on Google Cloud Run. If you already have all the prerequisites that you need and you just want to run it from the PowerShell, feel free to just run Terraform through your PowerShell and just look at my files. But if you want to know how to do it through the Google Cloud Shell editor so that things are like a little bit more streamlined so that you don't need to have all the dependencies, then keep on watching.
I'm going to link the repository in the description box. Thank you so much to datawranglerai and to Ali for contributing to the community. Without this, I would really not have the best guide on how to do it or really any idea how to do it at all. So thank you so much. It's extremely detailed and descriptive. It goes through everything that's under the hood. It goes through how to troubleshoot and how to update and how to keep on top of this deployment. So keep on watching and definitely go through it yourself and read on.
If you already possess a very particular skill set in programming and you just want to see my files that I use for the terraforming and for the Docker, then keep on watching. I'll include that now so you can screenshot and just amend as you go. But if you want to see not so much a tutorial, it's going to be more like a step-by-step, how did I get to where I got with my Google Cloud Run so that I got a service up and established, then keep on watching.
We're going to be cloning the Git repository. All right, all done. I updated the startup file because it's better for me to troubleshoot. You're going to have to maybe troubleshoot your main.tf file when you run this. I added a few things. Lifecycle, timeout, and then I also updated the startup probe times. Also quite important, I updated the container image. This was giving me a lot of problems the first few times I tried to run this, so I just narrowed it down to exactly where the image is, as opposed to a dynamic link. I created and customized my own Terraform variables. Yours is probably going to look a slightly different, but still same. Different, but same. I also updated and customized the variables.tf file, which is different from the Terraform variables file. I know, it's confusing, but it is what it is. I've directed the shell to where the Docker file is, but before we run the Docker file and we build and push and all that good stuff, let's just make sure we have all the right credentials. This is a lie. You are going to need to do this. This takes a little bit, so I didn't record the whole thing because this is a speed run, but you can see that I ran the Docker build. And then it built. And then I ran the authorization configurations. Credentials are great. Made sure the artifacts repository was created. Bam, created. Didn't trust it, so I made sure it was there. Didn't trust everything, so I made sure that the Docker image was created. Bam, there's the image ID. Tagged that image as the latest, as you can see here, and then I pushed the image. And then here is the latest digest. Look for the repo, look for the repository and the image, the digest, created, boom, all there. We're going to initialize the Terraform so that the program is up and running. Boom. Import successful. Let's plan this mother. Looks all good. Make sure that all of this is customized to you and it's going to act the way you want it to act. You don't want it to act up. Looks good. The one thing that I have a little bit of hesitation with is this port here. But, you know, we're going to trust the process. Sometimes that port works and sometimes it don't. Don't ask me why. All right, and then let's Terraform apply. This is going to take a while. So go ahead, feed your cat, hug your puppy. Let's go. I wasn't lying. See, it takes a while to create the instance. 12 minutes, and it's still creating. Okay, so after a while, I got this error code. I think altogether I was waiting like 15 minutes plus 12 minutes. It's a long ass time. Here, error code 9. This is a really common error code that you're going to run into. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change that port to 5678 because that's the port that it's trying to listen to. See? We're going to Terraform plan. make sure that the difference is in here. Boom, right there. Then Terraform apply, and I'll see you back. All right, so after 2 minutes, it completed, and then here is our link. Follow it. Boom. And there you have it. And just to prove that it works, I did the login, and there we go. Create a workflow. And boom. There we have it.